In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some of the key features within QuickBooks. Specifically, we'll explore how to locate your company ID and check out the keyboard shortcuts available to streamline your bookkeeping tasks. So, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks account. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on using the accountant view, which is ideal for those handling accounting tasks. If you're not sure what view you're currently in, you'll soon find out. Once you're on the home page, draw your attention to the top navigation bar. This is where you'll start your journey to accessing those useful details we're after. Next, you'll want to click on the highlighted area, which helps transition you towards more advanced settings and information about your account. This highlight is like your gateway to more detailed options, so be sure to give this current step the focus it needs to move forward seamlessly. After clicking the highlight, you'll then notice an option labeled Additional Info. This is a critical section where QuickBooks houses supplementary details about your company and your account settings. Clicking on it opens up a window with various pieces of information, so take a moment to glance through what's available. Now let's move a bit deeper by clicking on an option titled Additional Information. While it may seem similar to the previous step, this is where you'll see more specified details that weren't available earlier. Keep an eye out for anything unexpected, as QuickBooks sometimes updates its interface, which might subtly differ from what you see today. Continuing our journey, click on a button that indicates you're currently using the accountant view. This label serves a dual purpose. It reminds you of your current viewing mode, and also sets the pathway for customizing your interface if you need to switch to a more simplified or complex view later on. Remember, understanding what view you're in can be vital in navigating QuickBooks effectively. Now, this next part is incredibly important if you're trying to identify your company. Locate the section indicating your company ID is, followed by a string of numbers. This unique number identifies your company within QuickBooks, and having it on hand is beneficial, especially when dealing with support or managing multiple accounts. Jot this number down or keep it accessible for future reference. Finally, let's complete our guide by looking at keyboard shortcuts. Head towards the designated shortcuts option. Clicking here will unveil a list of available shortcuts to enhance your navigation efficiency. Shortcuts can drastically reduce the time spent performing routine tasks by allowing you to execute commands directly from your keyboard, so it's worth memorizing the ones you find most helpful. With these steps, you now have a better grip on how to navigate and utilize essential features within QuickBooks. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has empowered you to manage your financial tasks more efficiently. Stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks in future videos.